Fly1, you motherfuckers, this is probably the worst fitment I've ever had from car parts in my whole life. Alright, let's check the weight of the carbon fiber fenders. And they weigh 2.1 kilograms. Hey, what's up everybody? Today I installed my Fly1 carbon fiber fenders. They're laying around about 2 years now, and now it's finally time to put them on. First step, take the side skirts off. Scary as fuck. And it's broken. Alright, we just broke 2 clips, not bad at all. They are 13 years old, so I guess it's okay. I hope I have some spare clips. So much dirt, bro. Okay, it looks like that we broke something more than just clips. And it really sucks. Maybe I can glue it.
I try to change. I don't want to feel no more. I don't want to feel nothing on my door. All the police keep watching my home. Only damn things keep calling my phone. I try to change, but the dope game keep calling my name. I try to change, but the dope game keep calling my name. Yeah. I try to change myself for the better. My friend in prison just wrote me a letter telling me stop flipping everybody's snitching. Sometimes I wish that God would take me out this fucking kitchen. I'm feeling paranoid, I don't feel like I am living.
Alright, this must be the last bolt. Okay, here's the trick. Right there, there's a latch check. You have to lift it, put it over the door, and then you can put it out. And somewhere, it's still hanging on the fender line. I forgot one fucking screw. Okay, let's pull it back. Where's the fucking screw? This little bastard. Yes. Okay, I've tried to test fit the Fender, and Fly1, you motherfuckers, this is probably the worst fitment I've ever had from car parts in my whole life. This doesn't fit at all, especially this latchet. This have to go underneath the metal bracket, and it's tilted upwards like crazy, and on the headlights the edge of the fender is overlapping the headlight. What the fuck, man? Okay, here's the main problem. This latchet needs to go under this metal bracket, but the original fender is probably 1 millimeter thick maximum, and I already bent this to the upside and it doesn't fit at all, and this is overlapping, so I need to pull this down, and when I pull it down to the holder I have a finger thick gap, so I need to adjust this, but it's touching, so I need to take away a little bit from here, and oh wow, here I don't know, man. I thought that I cut this away, but I need to bring this edge down so it doesn't stand up from the headlights. What the fuck, man? That's not fun. Really, really sucks. Do you see how thin the OEM Fender is? And now check this out. So I have to sand down a lot here, but I think if I sand down it to the thickness of the OEM Fender, it will break. It will surely break. That's just fucking glass fiber. And we need to go in between this, I don't know if you can see it, but we have to go between this two metal pieces that I already bended to the upside, but that's not enough. So I have to figure out how I do this. Okay, we have to bring it between these metal pieces, but the problem is I can't bend it any further, because here, do you see that? That's a welding point. Okay, driver side is even worse. At the front, at the headlight section, it fits very well, better than on the other side. But what the fuck is this? Are you serious? Check out this holder. It's way too high, and you can't even close the lift because this is bumping against it. So I first tried to sand it down. I need to go lower quite a bit, so maybe I have to cut it completely and readjust the height of the holder.